The Canadian Museum of Nature is a national natural history museum based in Canada's National Capital Region. You can explore the fascinating science related to fossils, the universe of dinosaurs, fishes, a spotted turtle, polar bear in Arctic discovery, and other mammals in a historic building minutes from Parliament Hill. You can wander among stick insects, cockroaches, many beetles, ants, many more arachnids and millipedes in the nature life space. You can also see birds and owls and a model of limestone cave in the bird and earth gallery respectively.